Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the wallpaper option. Let's tap on it. Let's tap on agree. And as you can see, here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got some local photos, so actually this is our own gallery. Here we've got the pre-installed ones, some live wallpapers, and if you will have the internet connection, then you will be able to find some online wallpapers. So you will be able to pick some of them and set them as your own. So let me pick something from those options, for example this one. Just tap on it in order to check the preview. As you can see, it will look like it if you will apply this wallpaper. So in order to do that, just tap on apply here. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both, so just tap on this option. And wait a second, as you can see, we've got the info that the wallpaper has been applied. So let's get back to the home page, and as you can see, it is visible on the home screen, and after unlocking it, you will be able to see it on the lock screen also. So actually that's all. This is how to set the wallpaper in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.